Ready to turn your game film into a highlight reel that gets you noticed by coaches and recruiters? Let's jump right into making a killer highlight video on HUDL. First, log into your HUDL account. Then navigate to the video library where your game footage is stored. Browse through your game film and identify your best plays. Use the timestamp markers to note the exact start and end times of each play you want to include. Once you've found a great play, use the clip editing tools to trim the video to the exact beginning and end of the action, then click Add to Highlights. Now you are in the highlight reel editor. This is where the magic happens. Give your highlight reel a title that is both descriptive and attention-grabbing. To really make your reel pop, use the annotation tools. You can add text boxes to provide context, use pointers to highlight key players, and even draw on the screen to emphasize play development. Experiment with different colors to make your annotations stand out while avoiding a big distraction. Drag and drop the clips to arrange them in the order you want. Usually best plays first, then your next best, and so on. Add music to pump up the energy of your reel. HUDL offers a selection of royalty-free tracks, so pick one that fits the mood and style of your playing film. Once you are happy with your reel, click Finish and select your desired resolution and compression settings. Now download your finished video. Now your highlight reel is ready to be sent to coaches, recruiters, or shared on social media. Get ready for those offers.